Hi guys, today I have a really yummy tea recipe for you. I know you might think, who needs a recipe for tea? But this one is a little different. It's not just tea leaves and water, but it has some different kind of ingredients that add a lovely flavor to this tea. And because of the addition of milk, it's a really creamy tea drink. So let's get started with my London Fog recipe, and I hope you're gonna like it. I hope you enjoyed my tea drink recipe. It's really easy to make, really quick to make, and what you can also do is to prepare kind of the base beforehand, and then you can store it in the fridge for a couple of days and then just add a little bit of warm milk, or you can also reheat it in the microwave. This tea drink has so much flavor in it. It smells really lovely, and I think it's just perfectly made for this cold and gray weather. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you did, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.